everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss what is the main differences between database management system and relational database management system. So let's get started with this. And before starting, if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe and please press the bell icon. Okay, so now let's start with this difference. So the first difference is DBMS applications store data as a file. It simply means that like text files, we have suppose in a folder we have multiple text file. In that format, database management system stores the data. And what is the relational database management system? It's the application store data in a tabular format like in SQL and other. In database management system, data is generally stored in either a hierarchical form or a navigational form. But in the relational database management system, the tables have an identity called primary key and the data values are stored in the form of tables. And with the help of primary key, each row can be uniquely identified in this RDBMS. In DBMS, normalization is not present. Okay, in normalization is present in RDBMS. DBMS does not apply any security with regards to data manipulation, but RDBMS defines the integrity constraints for the purpose of ACID properties like not null, auto increment, and the value should be unique. These are the constraints which can be applied in RDBMS. You can see it in MySQL videos. Okay, so go for the more. DBMS uses file system to store data, so there will no relation between the tables. Okay, and in RDBMS, data values are stored in the form of tables, so a relation between them, the relation between these data values will be stored in the form of table as well. In this, there is no relation between the data, but in the RDBMS, there is a relation. Okay, so DBMS has to provide some uniform method to access the stored information. But in RDBMS, systems support a tabular structure of the data and a relationship between them to access the stored information. Now to the next point. DBMS does not support distributed database. Distributed database it doesn't support. This is one of the biggest disadvantage. Okay, so in the RDBMS support distributed database. Our DBMS is meant to be for a small organization that deal with a small data. It supports single user, but RDBMS is designed to handle large amount of data. It supports multiple users. In RDBMS, multiple users from the different ports can access the data within concurrently, and it also the data consistency is maintained that every user have the access to the same data. And there's an example of DBMS is DBMS are file systems, XML, etc. But RDBMS are MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, etc. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And please press the bell icon. Thanks.